I was born inside a garden with roots wrapped around my feet. Every flower knew my name, every path led back to me. But beyond the iron branches, past the fence of borrowed fears, there's a sky I've never touched, calling softly in my ears. And the wind keeps writing letters on my bedroom window pane, saying you were not created just to bloom and stay the same. I'm a bird that loves the cage, still dreams about the sea, a heart divided by the shore and everything beyond it. This house is a lighthouse, this house is a storm, the place that keeps me safe at night and leaves my spirit warm. The hallway wears my childhood like dust upon a frame, and every corner holds a ghost that still answers to my name. The roof has heard my silent prayers, the floor has caught my tears, yet sometimes love can cast a shadow long enough to hide the years. So I trace constellations on a ceiling painted white, wondering if stars get lonely before they learn to leave the night. I'm a bird that loves the cage, still dreams about the sea, forever trying to remember what it means to wander free. This house is my anchor, this house is my tide, it pulls me closer to its shore each time I try to fly. I don't want another family, I don't want another life, I just want to meet the version of myself beyond the light. Maybe I'm a paper anthem, terrified of catching flame. Maybe freedom is the fire and fear is just another name. Maybe every growing branch must someday leave the trunk, not because it hates the tree, but because the sun is further up. I'm a bird that loves the cage, a wave that fears the sea, a compass pointing everywhere except where I should be. This house is my heaven, this house is my hell, a beautiful unfinished story I know too well. And if I ever cross the horizon, if I finally learn to roam, I'll carry every brick inside me, because home is not a place I leave, it's a place I can never outgrow.